Hello everyone, it's Scarlett from Dongguan Tengxiang Electronics Company. Our company specializes in designing and manufacturing high-quality antennas, RF connectors, and cable assemblies for over 12 years.
We have an experienced R&D team and advanced production testing equipment. We have developed a series of Wi-Fi antennas, cellular antennas, GPS GLONASS Beidou navigation antennas, outdoor antennas, combination antennas, and all kinds of connectors and cable assemblies. These products are available in standard and custom designs and engineered for use in communication, cars, security, Internet of Things, home appliance, photographs, drones, medical, and other industries. We offer customized services including structure design, mold development, antenna tuning, and testing.
Now we are going to show you our production workshop.
Our production department has strict rules and an orderly division of labor. The production workshop is clean and tidy. The production line is smooth and fast, and the production equipment is running efficiently. Our staffs cooperate in an orderly manner to assemble, test, and quality inspect the products.
Now let's take a look at our laboratory.
All materials are 100% inspected before production. Our quality check auditors conduct stringent inspections on the equipment, ensuring all are working properly. Our operations running in accordance with ISO 9001:2000 guidelines, and all products are compliant with CE and GS standards and the ROHS directive.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.